What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, man. I'm back, baby, with another lit video. Man, welcome back to the channel, all my OGs, and welcome to the channel, all my new people that's tuning in, man. Hey, man, listen, if you're new, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Click that notification bell, man, if you always want to be notified when your hottest boy on YouTube, man, your hottest front yard boy on YouTube, which is good, organic, all we are turning old school, new school content, man. When I drop all that type of content, man, you want to be straight notified off the gate, off the rip. You don't even have to go to your keypad and type it in. So if that's the type of energy that you want, man, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. If you got any question, comments, or opinion, y'all leave it in the comments box below, man, because I'm telling y'all, man, we already going up, man. Y'all see the family, man. We go up. Hey, man, watch this heat. All right, y'all. Y'all been asking for that box Chevy content, and I got a bunch of box Chevy content coming for y'all. Many boys act like they don't want to see nothing but that box Chevy content. But as my channel says, man, it is the Life is J Spikes. So here and there, y'all, man, I do got to drop some other content other than box Chevys or LS swaps. So just understand that and be prepared for that, man. And if you really rock with me, you're going to rock with the Life is J Spikes content, period. But yeah, with that being said, man, we're going to skip past that. Let's get back. I had to say that real quick. But yeah, let's get back into this content, man. Because today, I'm giving you what you want, baby. Box Chevy content. Here we go. Y'all know this car, man. This car been on the channel a lot, man. It's my partner, blue box Chevy that I painted. And I built. We've been building this car for like 4 or 5, man, about 6 years now. This car been getting built by 6 years because I've been out here about 5 years. And I did this car when I stayed in my other place. But yeah, I give y'all all the new people that's tuning in, man. It's time to give an update on this car. And I did a few things to it today. It's here for a reason, which is coming back to stay because, like I said, I painted it 4 or 5 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. And I'm finna respray this car again, and we're finna respray it again. And he got a little trailer that he was pulling behind, a little small utility trailer. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna spray it the same color as car. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. This morning, oh, and we wetting that thing down with some Grant 7 clear coat. So get ready for that Grant. We're gonna put that Grant on that thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this morning, my car started leaking the other day, and I had to put a heater valve in that thing, man, this morning, man. I can't even talk, I'm moving too fast. But I got that, you see that antifreeze all over there. I got that out. That's the old one sitting over there. Sitting right there on that thing behind that chair. But yeah, I got that changed out. And my boy, man, he been asking me for a dome light for a long time, and I couldn't find him one. Now y'all know I done built this car, man. Let me show y'all around a little bit. 1989 box Chevy Caprice, man. He got scars, everything up in this thing, man. Most of the stuff scar. We changing everything over the scar. Everything you see in this car been done by me. Hold on, let me get the keys, matter of fact, because it's time to crank this thing up. Let me find the keys, y'all, and I'll bring y'all right back. Oh, hold on, the keys might be over here. I had them this morning. Here go the keys right here. See if we can fire this blue thing up, give y'all a look at all the custom work I done did to it. You see how it's hitting. You see how it's hitting. You see how it's hitting. Let me pop this trunk too. We done got a lot of new subscribers, man, since the last time this car been on the channel, man. We done got a whole lot of new subscribers, man. And I also want to say I appreciate all the new people that's tuning in. I appreciate all my OGs that's been here for the long run, man. But yeah, man, let's look at this thing real quick. Let's look at this old school, man. Check it out. Let's crank this thing up. Oh. Let's crank this thing up, y'all. I'm falling in this thing. Crank this thing up. First cold start this morning. Big Digidash installed by yours truly. You feel me? Gauges work, except the gas. You know what I'm saying? I ain't get the gas needle working yet, but I got everything else working. My boy got that JVC in there, console built by me. You see it. Got the scars in there with the light up, where they used to light up LED cup holders. We're gonna redo this. Highs everywhere in that thing. In the back too. We got them in the back. I got a 4-pack back there for them. Kenwoods. And my boy call this thing Blue Diamond, you feel me? Third brake light up there. We're gonna come back do them sail panels. Back seats look good. All the way around, man. And you know I had to put them stars in there for them, y'all. Y'all know I had to put them stars in there for them, y'all. 500 Starlight kit up in there with the blue suede. Navy blue suede in there, you feel me? Yeah, but what we're gonna do today, since I put that heater valve on there, we're gonna change out this, man. My boy been asking me for a long time, man. My boy said, man, J Spikes, man, please find me that thing. My boy said, I can't even take a goddamn picture, man, in my car looking at that ugly thing all rusted up in there, man. So I found one, I bought the last one, man, and I ain't gonna lie, I found it on eBay, y'all. So we're gonna get that thing, we're gonna get that thing out. I'm gonna show it to y'all, and we're gonna open it up and change it out for my boy. We're gonna surprise him. He don't even know it came in or that I'm finna put it in. Watch this heat! Don't go nowhere, baby. All right, y'all. Let's open this thing up. First, we got the dome light cover. This the one that kind of illuminates the light. We got that thing. And if y'all can see that, if y'all can get the part number off of that if you need it. But I'll leave these links down in the description box below, man, if y'all need this stuff. Or just hit me up on IG, lifeasjspikes, Facebook, lifeasjspikes, or just Spikes, and TikTok, lifeasjspikes. You know what it is. But yeah, man, we're gonna open this thing. She crispy. She crispy. She crispy. If y'all wondering. Straight off eBay, y'all. Straight off eBay. Alright, y'all ready? I ain't never bought one of these new. I ain't never had one new in my hands, so we're gonna see this together. Ooh, it's nice and wrapped up good, ain't it? Ooh, she pretty. Ooh, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Ooh. Yes, Lord, I almost dropped it. Let me stop fucking around. Alright, y'all. There we go. That's how it come out the package. Glossy. Triple chrome, show chrome. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, man, shouldn't be too much to get this thing put in for my boy. Think that thing, hey. Damn dogs trying to bark at my neighbors. They need to learn how to mind their business, y'all. But yeah, that's how we go look. That's how we coming. Watch this heat. Oh, all right, y'all. Since everybody been asking for longer videos, here we go, man. I'm gonna let y'all see me work. I'll be trying not to sell wolf tickets and give my supporters the best content and not throw, you know what I'm saying, just some bogus content up, trying to eat up minutes. I try to actually entertain them, but if y'all want to see me work a little bit, I'll let y'all see me work a little bit, man. You know what I'm saying? And it's nice and quick, kind of simple. Cause to be honest with y'all, man, the reason why I don't show a lot of my work while I be working, man, is because I really be trying to focus and get this stuff done, man. This stuff be real tedious, you feel me? So I be trying to concentrate and produce the best product I can at the end of the day instead of fooling around. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, for real though. But yeah. Got lucky on that. All right, y'all. Out with the old. Out with the old, gang. And in with the new. In with the new, baby. In with the new. Alright, that was pretty simple. See if we can get it back up there and get it lined up. Oh, we are. Hold on now. All right, y'all. Check it out, man. Check it out. Yeah. Check it out. Yes, sir. I don't know if these working out. Okay. I did that in the light one, y'all. But yeah, man. It look good. Look 10 times better. Yes, sir. Well, yeah, let me knock this case off and fix that light. Then I'll give y'all a little finished look up of the music and the rest of the few little things that we did to the car. Watch the heat. All right, y'all. I got the light in there. It's all working. So I'm going to give y'all a quick little look. Now, y'all know I fiberglassed that dashboard too. Y'all can see what it looked like over the course of 6 years. It's looking good still, man. She's still looking good, man. Of course, I did all his motor work. We got a blue top Optima up under the hood. Brand new AC system. Brand new wires front to back, big 3. I painted this stuff a long time ago, man. Knew everything up under here, man. Of course, I knew everything up under here. 320 amp JS alternator with the powder coat, blue on it to match the car. You know what I'm saying? Once again, that's how I do my grounds, y'all. When you come get your music done by J Spikes, that's how I do my grounds. That's how I do my wires. Y'all pay attention because we're gonna go to the back in the trunk and I'll show y'all a little something. But yeah, man, he also has HIDs in that thing, man. I think that's all 6K HIDs. Keep it legal. You know what I'm saying? Big whip wheel. I'll let y'all see this trunk a little bit. Not much. I just give y'all a little something. 415. All the amps back there. Wired up. You know what I'm saying? We don't need to go through what he really got, but I just give y'all a quick little look. We ain't gonna go through detail for detail, because that ain't everybody's business. But we got a big old VMAX competition AGM I put back there for my boy. That thing is absolutely a great buy. Of course, we got the blocks on there from Ill Customs on there, you know what I'm saying? Got them blocks on there. Yeah, man, she not. 415, she do good in a sealed box, built by me. Everything wired and hooked up and installed by me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, nice car, man. Blue Diamond, that's the name of this thing, man. Blue Diamond, you know what I'm saying? And she finna get sprayed wet again, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Watch this heat. Y'all know what to do. subscribe, like, comment to the channel, man. Comment on, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment box below if you got any question, comments, or opinion. Like the video if you like this box Chevy content or any type of projects we got in the front yard. You know, feel me? And listen, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I ain't got time to beg. It's over with for the day, baby. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere.